Ready? 10, 5, 6, no. Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Man, somebody done told you wrong. If I had effort and you got the nerve to come in my house. Now you see how tired I am? You see? Now you see? Now you see? 5 minutes, brother. I don't never want to hurt nobody, brother. I don't want to help nobody, brother. Brother, you know what I'm saying? 5 minutes? 5 minutes for 10 years, man? For 10 years? 10, 9, 8, 7. What? Something about, I ain't gonna do no cussing tonight, but I'm gonna tell you something.
Hey y'all, this is my kid Reginald, and my boy Slim, he about to go.
Do you have a? I thought you said that your favorite song was Fancy. What is your favorite artist, music artist?
My favorite artist, man.
Hold up. Go. This my mother, and this my cousin Montel. It's doing it right now. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.